Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. So to do this, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord application into your device. Now to switch account on the Discord Mobile, of course, first thing you have to log out. So go ahead and tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you will have an option on the top right corner, the gear icon, and it will get you through these settings. So tap on the gear icon. And now here on the settings, you could just simply scroll down to the very bottom until you see over here, log out. So go ahead and tap on log out to log out your current account that you have, and now we are going to switch into another account. So to do that, you will just simply select login down below and just simply provide the username and password of the account that you have. Now from here, you will just simply go ahead and select login once you are done. And after that, you should be able to switch to your other account using the Discord mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.